Hey people, so we are at this place called Good Vibes Cafe, which is a cute little cafe really. And yeah, this is how it looks. And Ayush, what is this? Tomato pasta?
Arrabbiata.
Arrabbiata. Okay, so this is good. Ayush, how would you rate it? Okay. Come. We'll just. This is so nice. So, the upstairs seating area also, you were to climb and go. Now, Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
9.
9. That's a good rating. So, wait, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thanks, yeah, thank you so much.